guys, today we are going to be reviewing how to solve for volume. So looking at our first example here, we have a model and it shows the measure of one cake pan. Ms. Garcia uses two cake pans that are identical to this model to bake a 2-layer cake. So she has 2 layers of cake, and the question's asking us what is the total volume of the 2 cake pans. So if we look at the information given to us, we see that it talks about layers here. And we know that when it talks about layers, that this automatically tells us that we are talking about volume. So remembering that layers are where you have one thing stacked on top of another, like so, until it is full and fills the volume of an object. So we also know that from the question it says volume here, so clearly we are solving for the volume. Now, if we look at our model, we need to go ahead and label our different sides. We know that 13 is our length, and then 9 is going to be our width, and 2 will be our height. So thinking about the formulas, we know that we have V equals base, or B times H, base times height. Now, in this situation, in this problem, we do not have a base, so we need to lean on our second formula, which is going to be V equals length times width times height. We have a length, we have a width, and we have a height. Therefore, we can use this formula to go ahead and solve for volume. So we know we're going to come over here and we're going to rewrite our formula. V equals length times width times height. And the length we know to be 13. So we're going to do 13 times our width, which is 9, times our height, which is 2. Now, first step is we are going to do 13 times 9. We know that 9 times 3 is 27. Carry our 2. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 2 is 11. So now V equals 117 times 2. So coming back over here, 117 times 2. We know that 2 times 7 is 14. Carry our 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Plus 1 is 3. And then 2 times 1 is 2. Leading us to our total volume, V equals 234. Now, because our answer is in inches, or measurement is in inches, our answer will be in inches as well. So we have inches and we have inches cubed. Now, this little cubed thing right here is just telling you that it is 3-dimensional, that you have a length, a width, and a height all there. It also tells you that it has the 3 sides. So remember that volume is always what we call cubed. And that is how you solve to find volume.